Investigating musical expression through body movement in early childhood, a device-based quantitative approach to extract various feature quantities. In this study, 3-year-old, 4-year-old, and 5-year-old children in 3 facilities N is equal to 101 participated in the movement analysis during musical expression utilizing a 3D motion capture system MVN. Quantitative analysis, such as a 3-way non-repeated analysis of variance of the captured data, yielded feature quantities that were implemented in machine learning algorithms with multiple classifiers. Results of classification regarding the developmental degree of musical expression in early childhood indicated higher accuracy with MLP, NN and SVM. Furthermore, using an eye tracking system Tobii Glass 3 connected with MVN, simultaneous analysis of eye and body movements during musical expression improved the accuracy of MLP, NN to 74.42%. Measurements were conducted indoors at the facility under the same lighting conditions as the children's daily lives, so there was almost no effect of ambient light during eye tracking. Based on these findings, the MVN system, connected to MetaGloves, was employed to conduct detailed movement analysis focusing on hand movements during musical expression with 3-year-old, 4-year-old, and 5-year-old children in 3 facilities N is equal to 86. MetaGloves, developed by Manus Technology Group, are a small and lightweight system weighing 70 grams, which places almost no strain on the finger movements of the participating children. This system has a finger sensor that detects the absolute value of the fingertip position and the 3-axis rotation angle of the finger relative to a model of the back of the hand at a frequency of 120 Hz. Because the MetaGloves are small and lightweight, the burden on fine motor control was suppressed. Quantitative analysis of this data revealed that the third metacarpal bone plays a dual role, supporting finger movements and activating the proximal and distal phalanges to facilitate the expression of imagined imagery. Admittedly, methodological limitations, such as lighting conditions and small, lightweight devices having some effect on the acquired data, are an area for further consideration. Utilizing newly extracted feature quantities from this quantitative analysis is expected to improve the accuracy of classifying the developmental degree of musical expression. This, in turn, will provide objective criteria for evaluating developmental progress and necessary musical experiences, contributing to improvements in early childhood music education practices. Introduction. This research explores how young children express music through their bodies, especially their hands, and how these movements reflect their understanding of musical elements. Using advanced 3D motion capture and eye tracking systems, the study examined how 4- and 5-year-olds move while engaging in musical activities. By combining data on body and eye movements with results from music tests, the study used machine learning to better understand how children develop musical skills. It found that hand movements, such as how far and how fast the hands move, are especially important for measuring musical development. The study also improved the accuracy of identifying children's musical growth by using artificial intelligence techniques like support vector machines and neural networks. This work helps educators and researchers better understand the physical and mental aspects of early musical learning and supports the use of technology in assessing and encouraging young children's musical expression. Conclusion. This study shows how young children express music not just with sounds but with body and eye movements. By using advanced motion capture and eye tracking technology, the research looked closely at how children move their heads, shoulders, hands, and eyes during musical activities. It found that these movements reflect how well children understand music and how their skills are developing. Recent findings also suggest that certain finger bones play a key role in both physical movement and expressing imagination. The study uses this movement data to improve how computers, using artificial intelligence, recognize a child's musical development level. These insights can help teachers, even those without strong music backgrounds, better understand each child's progress and choose the right musical experiences for them. Overall, this research offers new ways to support and assist musical growth in early childhood education. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.